Right, question 11. It is asking me the angles in triangle A are in the ratio 1 to 2 to 3, and the angles in triangle B are in the ratio 4 to 5 to 6. Jack says the middle number in each ratio is 1/3 of the total. Therefore, one of the angles in each triangle, has to be 60. Is he correct? And we need to show working to support our answer. So, first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the ratios together. So, in triangle A, 1 add 2 add 3 will give me 6. And in triangle B, 4 add 5 add 6 will give me 15. Okay, so going back to triangle A, I've got 1 to 2 to 3. That means my angles can be split up into 6 equal pieces. So therefore, angles in a triangle, 180, split into 6 equal pieces means I'm going to divide by 6, and therefore the answer is 30. 30 is one piece of my 6. I've got the ratio 1 to 2 to 3, so for one of the angles is going to be 1 times 30, which is 30. For 2, we're going to do 2 times 30 to work out another angle, so 2 times 30 is 60, and then we need to do 3 times 30 as well to give us our 90. So the angles in triangle A, one of them is 30, one of them 60, and one of them's 90, and just to make sure, I'm going to check that they add up to 180, which they do, so I know that I have probably not made any mistakes there. Triangle B is 4 to 5 to 6, so in total I've got 15 pieces, so I'm going to do the same as I did before, do 180 divided by 15 and get myself an answer of 12. So this time one piece is worth 12 degrees. So I need to multiply the numbers in my ratio by 12. So I've got 4 times 12 to give me 48, 5 times 12 to give me 60, and 6 times 12 to give me 72. Same again, I'm going to add them together and make sure that they add up to 180, which they do. And now I'm going to go back and read the question because I've done a lot of working out, but I just need to make sure I'm answering the question. Okay, so the middle number in each ratio is 1/3 of the total, so one of the angles in each triangle is 60. We can see that is true because I've got a 60 in triangle A and a 60-degree angle in triangle B. So yes, he is correct. Good. Right. Question 12 is asking me, in a class the ratio boys to girls is X to Y. So in order, the boys get X and the girls are Y. Circle the fraction of the class that are girls. So if we're doing fractions, we know that the numerator, the top number, has got to be the number of girls, and it tells us that the girls are Y. So I know my fraction is going to have a Y on the top. The denominator in a fraction tells us out of how many in total. So in total is going to mean the sum of the boys and the girls. Total tends to mean we are adding up. So we're adding up the boys and the girls. So I want X add Y on the bottom, X add Y on the bottom, and therefore Y over X add Y is going to be the number of girls, for the fraction for the number of girls in that class. And question 13, so the price of a computer is reduced by 17.5%. The reduced price is £264. By how much is the price reduced? So it is reverse percentage change. So the original price, let's say it was X. We need to find what the original price was. So we're going to find X. To do that, we are going to do 100, as in 100%, and it's been reduced by 17.5%. So we're going to take away 17.5 and get 82.5%. That, as a decimal, is 0.825. So therefore, my original amount, X, has been multiplied by 0.825. So x multiplied by 0.825 equals 264. So to undo the working, I need to do the opposite of times by 0.825. So divide by 0.825. The opposite of times is divide. So I'm going to do 264, which is my new price, divided by 0.825. And that will give me an answer of £320. So that was the original price of my computer. What I can do just to check that is I can do 320 and I can multiply that by 0.825 just to check that I get the right answer, 264, and I do. So happy days, 4 marks, another question done.